In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a link in Discord. Whether you're sharing an article, a video, or any web page, the process is quick and simple. We'll start by copying a link from your browser, then paste it into a Discord message. I'll also show you a clean way to turn that link into clickable text so your message looks tidy and professional. First, copy the link you want to share. In your web browser, go to the page you're interested in, click once in the address bar so the entire web address is highlighted, and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the highlighted address and choose Copy. You can also right-click a hyperlink on a page and select Copy Link to grab it directly. At this point, the link is saved to your clipboard and ready to use. Next, open Discord and click in the message box of the channel or direct message where you want to post it. Paste the link by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click in the message box and choose Paste. You'll see the full link appear. Discord usually recognizes it instantly and may generate a small preview underneath after a moment. When everything looks good, press Enter to send. That's it. Your link is now shared and others can click it. If you'd like a cleaner look, you can embed the link into text using simple formatting. Type the visible words you want inside square brackets immediately followed, without any spaces, by the link in parentheses. For example, you can write, check the docs here, http://example.com. When you send the message, only the word here appears as a clickable link. This keeps long addresses out of your chat and makes your message easier to read. It's especially helpful in busy channels where clarity matters. You can also write a short sentence around it like, for more details, read the guide here tips/example.com, and everything will stay neat and readable. A few quick tips. Make sure the link includes the full address, including HTTP or HTTPS, so it opens correctly. If the paste doesn't look right, delete it and paste again. Discord's link detection works in channels and direct messages, and it's fine to add text before or after the link, like check this out, followed by the URL. If you ever paste the wrong thing, you can edit your message right after sending to fix it. And that's all. You've learned how to copy a link, paste it into Discord, and format it as clickable text for a cleaner message. Happy sharing!